Hey, Nick with RPP Hobby here. I got the new Toyotas in from Axial. I'm super excited to get this open, check it out. I'll take a look and we will take it out, hit some trails, and see how it performs. There's been a lot of other Toyotas on the market, so Axial coming out with a full licensed one is pretty exciting. The normal fare, batteries, battery strap for the car, couple tools, decals, so you can convert it how you want. Decals so you can sticker it up how you want. Standard SLT3 transmitter. But this is what we're all here for. This looks amazing. Love the scale details, all the hood clips, molded light buckets, the entire front molded fender. Backlights. This will be fun to get up. The exo cage details are great. Lots of mounting points for spotter lights, floodlights. You also have fender light options as well. Let's see what they're doing with their new clipless system. So that. Pre-wired, so make sure you don't pull those guys out too hard. The body looks great. Inside, I'm really digging the new battery strap compared to some of the other 10.3 options. I love that it's running independent receiver and speed controller, so you can piecemeal replacing equipment. Yeah. This is, I think, going to perform very nicely. It's a nice size battery tray. A lot of great molded details. So yeah, let's get out and get this thing dirty.